Hello, you're welcome to my Yoruba class. Today, let's look at sentence construction in Yoruba. Now we have a subject, we have a verb, and we have an object. The subject is I, the verb is ate, the object is beans. So we have in Yoruba language here too, the subject is mo, the verb is je, the object is ewa. So we have a complete sentence, mo je ewa, which is I ate beans. Mo je ewa. I washed plate. Mo fọ abọ́. Mo fọ abọ́. Now let's look at this one where we have the subject plus auxiliary verb plus object. I have eaten beans. Mo have eaten jẹ beans ẹ̀wà. Mo ti jẹ ẹ̀wà. That is, I have eaten beans. She has bought 2 books. Ó ti ra ìwé méjì. Ó ti ra ìwé méjì. In English, we have 2 books. Most of the times, the qualifier comes before the noun in English language. But in Yoruba language, the qualifier comes after the noun. That's why we have ìwé méjì. We don't have méjì ìwé. 2 books in Yoruba will be ìwé méjì. Now, all these subjects can be replaced with nouns or pronouns. So, as you wish, once you know the subject you want to use, that is the noun you wish to use or pronoun, put it here. You have your verb, put it here, and you have your object, put it here. The same thing applies to this formation.